Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Idle Heroes on PC. Playing mobile games on your computer offers many advantages, like a larger screen and better controls. The key to this is using an Android emulator. These software applications mimic an Android device on your desktop, allowing you to download and run your favorite mobile games seamlessly. We will explore the simple steps to get started. First, you need to choose an emulator. Popular options include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player. Visit the official website of your chosen emulator to download the installation file. Always ensure you are downloading from a trusted source to avoid any issues. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the straightforward instructions to set up the emulator on your personal computer. After installing your emulator, launch it. You will likely need to complete a quick initial setup, including logging in with a Google account, just like a new Android phone. Once inside the emulator's interface, find the Google Play Store icon. Click on it, search for Idle Heroes in the search bar, and then proceed to install the game as you normally would on any mobile device. With Idle Heroes installed, you can now optimize your gameplay. Most emulators allow you to map keyboard keys to on-screen controls, giving you precise command over your heroes. You can also tweak performance settings within the emulator for smoother graphics and faster loading times. Enjoy the immersive experience of Idle Heroes on your computer with improved comfort and clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.